So yeah guys, good day on another adventures, So today now we're there here go use a tractor, dig out some crab. You see it? Use my excavator dig out some crab today. So I don't know a little night ago there. Yeah, you go here with and Davian outdoor is here, Davian gone over there already. So I'll try and stay tuned to see full video. You see it? Yeah man. See guys, some nice beautiful water coconut, yeah man, lying out on the farm, yeah. Yeah guys, I can hear tractor over there, yeah man. Don't get to like, share and subscribe please, yeah man. Outside with another bang again today. And see tractor over there, start digging. Man, so I go cross with a little lake there and go over there. This guys go cross where this, but you know, save a lot of crocodile in this water, Yeah man. Oh, walk go cross where there, go over there, one tractor park up and the other one is working. Yeah man. So I can see this over mine out sun dirt, Yeah man. And see a great Dave and what's your name?
Outdoor.
Dave, one Dave and outdoor living. I live in outdoor. Peeps, so I dig for see if you see no crab here now, Yeah man. Great blend that, operate. Yeah man. I go over there so the excavator, So next chapter down there, sir. Yeah, that one there. So yeah, people see tractor they go out on here. I'll try to run, Yeah man. Put him in a bag there, David. So we are in a class. Keep so David and outdoor dig out one there. Yeah, man.
Take him out. Graduation, I take them on to them around with us.
Run out that hole, you know.
Take them out, that's set. Stay tuned. I get a couple more.